Hey, what is up, all you beautiful people? My name is Mahia, and I am your blind guide, and I want to talk to you about Redbox. Now, not a crypto, it's a stock, but it has given some incredible gains of late, especially for people who take profits. Because again, this is more of a high risk, high reward swing trade slash short squeeze play. So there's a lot of hype around this one because of late, it's had days where it's had, 30% gain and then an 18% gain day and an 18% gain day and a 30% gain. I mean, a lot of people have doubled and tripled and quadrupled what they put into it just a week ago. So very good. Um, so there's a little concern about if certain brokers are limiting trading on this as far as buying, as far as I've heard, like TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Robinhood, I believe. Now, on Webull, it has not been suspended as far as of today. Now, tomorrow, Friday, could be very different. I'm not sure. But as far as today, it was not suspended. I actually bought some way earlier today, so I can tell you for a fact on Webull you could still get it. And I'll have a link in the description below. You'll get some stocks, I'll get some stocks, and I'm going to use it for future giveaways for your channel. Excuse me for 1 second. Sorry, just getting some nausea, but I'm going to use it for future giveaways. By the way, Sophie Matatia, I hope I am pronouncing that correctly, but you are the first of 6, maybe 7 by the time I announce all 7, and it will be in the next videos coming up. So just let me know as far as PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Amazon gift card, even just whatever you feel the most comfortable and secure with, so I can give you your prize, and you will be entered in to win a bigger token of my appreciation. And then also, in everyone who wins these first few, I don't know if it'll be 10 or the first 100 prizes, I'm not sure yet, are going to have an opportunity in a future business venture that I'm still getting underway, and I will bring you guys a lot more info on that as things develop, but I am incredibly excited about it. But back to Redbox. So as far as the buys being halted, that has set some selling pressure, but there were a lot of spikes today, which honestly, on the day it closed up, I think like 8-10%. I mean, in yes, it came down from its highs, but again, this is a swing trade. It's going to go up, it's going to go down. It's going to go up, it's going to go down. So, as always, setting a buy limit order, sell limit order, using stop losses, trailing stop losses. This is something that in a play like this can be very advantageous, especially taking your profits as they come. That is one very, very important thing on this one, because I mean, yeah, it's going to be going up and down, up and down. My next high price target would be 24 to 27. Now, I could even see it going to 23, and the short sellers really attacking are people who also don't want to see the stock go up much higher. Really trying to set a sell wall around 23 so it does not approach higher, because if it does, then a lot of FOMO could really kick in, and you could see a lot of people jumping into this, and it could get out of control as far as the hedge funds are concerned. Now, they've learned a lot from AMC and GameStop, so they're almost playing a different game now. But at the same time, as we've seen of late, I mean, 490 when I first started talking about it, and it's gone as high as 1820. And again, 1820 could be a spot where it comes back down. If it does what it did last time, it could come down, under the $10. I think it got as low as like 890. So it could drop low. Now, I think there's a pretty good resistance around 10, maybe even 990. So I wouldn't wait for it to, not financial advice, if I was going to buy back in and it went up to like 18 and then dropped back down to 10, that's where I would strike. I would not wait for it to go too much lower, because it might not happen. There are a lot of people who are looking to buy it when it drops to that level, because there are a lot of people swing trading this, and a lot of people just wanting to get in low, hold for as long as it takes to get a double or a triple, and then sell out. Which, I mean, yes, technically that could be swing trading, but some of these people are willing to hold it for quite a while to get that, 3, 4x, whatever they're looking for, especially with the way the markets are right now and with how bad everything is looking. In my opinion, it's not. Right now is the best opportunity to load up on stocks, on crypto, NFTs. It is an amazing time, because millionaires, this is when they are made, when everything dips really low and we're in bear markets, because that is when you can really get in low. There are so many cryptos and so many stocks that people missed out on and now are having a second chance to get into it. Excuse me for one more second. Apologies again. So right now is a great time to just load up on everything. Again, not financial advice, but to be able to buy stuff at an 80, a 90, even more percent down from where it recently was. I mean, in some cryptos, hundreds of percent down. And some are very good projects that just are either new and the bear market hit them really hard, or just projects that launched recently and just launched at a bad time, or had a lot of catalysts that came up at a bad time. So the catalyst hasn't really been cooked in, as you might say, into the price action. And when that happens, there will be a lot of upward momentum, especially for stocks, crypto projects, NFTs, whatever it is that has a lot of good utility, or also as far as the stocks go, just a really good company that has a lot of demand and is going to be able to ride through this choppy weather, as they say. Because yes, right now things look bad, but when things look bad, that is the time to buy. Warren Buffett, that's when he succeeds. That's when he excels, in the bear market, not in the bull market, in the bear market. That is how he has made so much money, along with so many other millionaires, multimillionaires, and billionaires. And that is honestly the ultimate goal. because that is how you get true generational wealth and financial freedom. And I know we can all do it together. Like I always say, together we will conquer all, divided we are destined to fall. And that is more true than it ever has been before, especially with all the negativity and all the stocks are crashing. So crypto will never have a chance. NFTs are a scam. Everything's getting hacked, and that has that is something that happens in every single industry. It is just something that has to occur. Sadly, it's not something that has to occur, but there are malicious people out there who will try to take advantage, and there are people who are going to be putting out a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt is what they're going to be putting out there. But in the background, they're going to be buying. And you can see this if you look at so many millionaires, billionaires, bank managers, celebrities, like, for example, like Mark Cuban, he was hard on Bitcoin. Jamie Dimon's so negative on crypto, yet he was in working with so many different firms that were doing their own thing, and I think he was trying to come up with his own, essentially like his own bank stablecoin. Just a lot of different projects as far as the blockchain is concerned. Yet he was hating on it in public, and that is what a lot of people do. And it's sad, but they know by hating on it in public, putting a lot of FUD out there, they can get the price to drop, and then they can get a great opportunity because they know you have to buy in low. Like that is the best thing you can possibly do. But anyways, I'm going to get off here for tonight, but I hope all of you have a great evening. Again, my high price target 24 to 27, but at around 23, stuff could start to get choppy because a lot of institutions, hedge funds, might be very concerned about where it could be going. Also, $18, that range is very, very important to look at and to keep in mind because it could hit there and then bounce back down again. But again, my price target, let's say 23 to 27, really 24 to 27, but I always like to give a little bit of room because a lot of times when it comes to price targets that the technicals kind of indicate, a lot of times if there's any manipulation, it's going to happen right before it hits that price target. But again, 24 to 27, 23 gives some good breathing room, just like 1820 to even 1720 is going to be, in my opinion, a place of resistance. But I will be bringing you guys some more updates tomorrow, and I hope all of you have a great evening, and I love you, each and every one of you, for all the support, comments, subscribes, likes. You guys are awesome. I hope you have a beautiful night, and again, as always, buy the dip when you can. Not financial advice, but financial advisors typically would steer you wrong, so I would not personally listen to them. I wouldn't listen to a random person on YouTube. I would do your due diligence and come to your own conclusion. But again, I am just here to bring you guys the opportunities that I see and let you guys know my opinions and what I'm thinking as far as stocks, crypto, NFTs, and all of the above. But I hope you guys have an amazing night, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye.